Questions and comments? The member from Etobicoke North.
Thank you, Speaker. I would urge all members of the House to support Bill 109, the Employment and Labour Statute Law Amendment Act. And if I might, Speaker, with your permission, speak, for example, a little bit of the medical side. We use the phrase presumptive diagnosis, and perhaps that deserves some explanation. Let's take the case of firefighters who may have had difficulty in proving that it was job-related stress, job-related, whether it's fumes or chemicals or particles or inhalants that might have caused COPD, chronic obstructive lung disease. Presumptive means that we should naturally assume that with a given amount of time that a firefighter has exposed themselves potentially to these illness-causing materials, that the COPD is in fact caused by it, and therefore it should be a compensatable kind of illness. The problem, of course, is that these illnesses often take years, possibly even decades to manifest, to show. For example, if you are interested in developing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the ideal way is to smoke 1 pack a day, your choice, of cigarettes, but it would take, on average, approximately 20 years to develop. So between time of employment, time of exposure, when and where precisely did the exposure happen, and then to essentially attribute that to 20 years hence or even longer is, of course, the issue. And so we want to make sure that this type of bill helps with these types of issues. Thank you, Speaker.